Should you clean air conditioning evaporator coils inside your house the same way as outdoor condenser coils? Evaporator coils are typically cleaned with gentler methods than outdoor condenser coils because they are located inside the air handler and are more sensitive to moisture, chemical residue, and the surrounding finished materials. Start by turning off power to the indoor unit at the thermostat and the service disconnect and allow the system to stop completely so you avoid electrical hazards and fan movement while working. Use a soft brush or a coil fin comb to remove loose dust and debris, working along the fin direction to avoid bending the fins, and follow with a no-rinse or low-residue coil cleaner labeled for evaporator use, applying it sparingly and allowing time to lift soils before the condensate drains carry them away. For heavier buildup, consider a foaming cleaner designed for indoor evaporators that expands to penetrate between fins. Apply it according to label directions and keep run time limited to prevent excessive moisture inside wall cavities. Avoid high-pressure water rinses or outdoor strength acid cleaners because those can damage aluminum fins, electrical components, insulation, and drywall, and they can leave corrosive residue that causes premature failure. If access requires removing panels, take careful photos before disassembly to ensure correct reassembly and replace any deteriorated insulation or drip pans to prevent future microbial growth. Common mistakes include using outdoor condenser cleaners on indoor coils, which can cause chemical damage and foul odors, so swap to a product rated for evaporator surfaces and rinse only if the label allows. Another frequent issue is bending delicate aluminum fins with rough tools. Prevent this by using soft brushes and a fin comb and straightening any small bends gently. And if fins are badly damaged, call a professional to avoid airflow restriction that reduces system efficiency. A third problem is cleaning without isolating power and protection for surrounding surfaces, which risks electrical shorting and water damage. Always shut off power and place a towel or shallow pan under the coil to catch runoff and use minimal liquid. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare who is available for specific indoor coil or air conditioning work, and we make it easy for contractors to advertise their services and find jobs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, ask questions, and share project experiences.